If you want to change icon colors on Motorola Moto G56, then first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Let's open settings over here. Then we're gonna go to personalize, and you should be able to find icon, sorry, not icon shape, but colors. We want to go to colors. Because over here, if you enable themed icon, then all, well, not all, but most of the icons will be adjusted to match the theme or the color of the theme over here. So let's press save, and if we go back, as you can see, we have updated our icons, and at least many default apps support this change. Unfortunately, many apps that are downloaded through the Play Store do not support this this style, so unfortunately they stand out over here. But this is what we can do. Of course, we can change the color by changing one of the basic by choosing the different basic color. Essentially, say if I choose red and save, then I should be able to see red icons here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.